Welcome to this 10-minute healing session. This is going to be for relationships, soulmate, twin flame, any relationship that you want to heal. This is going to be intuitively channeled, and I'm going to flow divine loving energy to you as we go through this channeling. So just sit back, close your eyes, or lie down and close your eyes, and set the intention that you are open and receptive to this healing session. Just doing some sacred symbols to connect with your energy. As I do this, bring the person that you also want to heal to your mind's eye. Think of them. This healing will be done on their behalf as well, if their higher self agrees. Always for the highest and best good of all involved. I want you to think of a recent incident that you want to heal. Something that was triggering, or a recent incident that caused pain or frustration, or perhaps just an overall pattern in your relationship that needs healing. Bring that to the top of your mind now. And what I want you to do is allow yourself to feel the emotions that come up within it. Don't resist. We're locating these. I'm sending them energy. And you're sending them energy by allowing them to come up. By unconditionally loving them. And we ask for your partner, or the other person in this relationship, if their higher self can present energy as well that needs healed due to this pattern, this circumstance. And send your unconditional love to that as well. Just breathe and allow yourself to feel. The healing occurs beneath this energy, beneath this emotion. So we must allow it to come up in a safe place, in an unconditionally loving place, for us to be able to integrate or release it. Breathe into this emotion. All the emotions that come up, breathe into them. There's an infinite source of energy that's being sent to you, that's always available for you to use. And our biggest tool that we have to access this is our breath. Our second biggest tool is our focus and our attention. So use those now. If you feel it in your body, just focus on that energy and breathe in to that space. take a deep inhale and sigh it out. Release, release, release. We ask that what needs to be integrated is integrated within you and this other beautiful soul. Just be now in this present moment. Focus on what you love most about yourself. Nothing conditional, like how you look or how smart you are, but just who you truly are deep down. Feel that part of you. Feel it from your heart space. Perhaps you're nurturing, loving, you want the best for yourself, for others. You're committed. Feel that. And allow this energy to expand throughout your entire physical body, through your emotional and your mental body, all the way out to the astral or your spiritual body. You're completely engulfed with this energy of your true divine essence. And from this space, bring that other person into your mind's eye and ask to see their true essence. What do you love about them? We're not thinking about what needs healed. We're thinking about what you love. Maybe it's their smile, their eyes. Maybe you can't even put it into words, but it's just a feeling. It's sensing their energy. The more you're able to do this for them, the more they're able to feel it within themselves and reconnect. This is the energy that heals. In your mind's eye, imagine you telling them what you love most. And at the same time, still connected with what you love about yourself. Still connected to your divinity. And imagine these two energies, your true self, their true self, merging into one. Finding that unity again. Expanding from your heart space, from your higher knowing. And we ground this now into the present moment, into your physical body, into their physical body, mental, emotional bodies. Now energetically, I'm just going to wipe off anything that you may have released. We ask that it is transmuted into light, that it is recycled, anything that they may have released. We send it up to the ether to recycle it. I'm going to disconnect from your energy now, but know that you can use this session as often as you need for a 45-minute session like this, or for a personal healing. You can see the link below. Much love to you.